Deviled eggs are a classic and popular appetizer. Here's a straightforward recipe to make delicious deviled eggs. Ingredients: 6 large eggs, 1/4 cup mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, ½ teaspoon white vinegar or lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste, paprika, fresh herbs, chives, or bacon bits for garnish, optional. Instructions: boil the eggs, place the eggs in a saucepan and cover them with water. Bring the water to a boil, then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Cook the eggs for about 10 to 12 minutes. Cool and peel. Once cooked, transfer the eggs to a bowl of ice water to cool them down quickly. Gently crack the eggshells and peel them under running water for easier peeling. Slice and prepare. Carefully cut the peeled eggs in half lengthwise. Remove the yolks and place them in a separate bowl. Arrange the egg white halves on a serving plate. Make the filling. Mash the egg yolks using a fork until they are crumbly. Add mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, white vinegar or lemon juice, salt, and pepper to the mashed yolks. Mix everything together until smooth and creamy. Adjust the seasonings to your taste. Fill the eggs, spoon or pipe the yolk mixture evenly into the hollows of the egg white halves. You can use a piping bag or simply a spoon to fill them. Garnish, sprinkle paprika, chopped fresh herbs, chives, bacon bits, or any preferred toppings on top of the deviled eggs for added flavor and presentation. Chill and serve. Refrigerate the deviled eggs for at least 30 minutes before serving to allow the flavors to meld together. Serve chilled. Deviled eggs are versatile, and you can adjust the ingredients to suit your taste preferences. They make a great addition to any appetizer spread or party platter, and their deliciously creamy filling with various flavor options ensures they're always a hit among guests.